So I'm not gonna lie, this really is sort of my happy place. So here today to play, goof off, have some fun. Got some things planned and looking forward to messing around on the boat. It's raining outside. You can hear it on the shed. And awfully dark. This is what I am installing. It's the SmartPlug connector and inlet set. 30 amp for this boat. We have dual 30 amp inlets. So it comes with a connector that goes on your old shore power cord, that yellow thing there. Cut the end off of it, add the wires inside of the plug, and then this receptacle or connector, I guess, inlet that goes onto the bulkhead. Found these for 166 bucks, best price I have found. They were $130 about a year ago. Should have bought them then. Now they're up to like $179, or you can pay well over $200 depending on where you're buying them from. So boat is disconnected from shore power. I've got a battery charger going, but I don't have anything going to the AC system other than directly to a remote battery charger. It's not even the ship's charging system. Strip back the wires to the appropriate length. Ready to insert them. Got the foam backing in place and the SmartPlug. Had to open up the hole a little bit to fit this shape. Color coded on the back of the SmartPlug, so pretty easy. White to white, black to black, green to green. So make it quite simple. Wires fitting nicely, completely sealed, protected. No wires hanging out and exposed. Sort of in, need to drill the holes and attach it securely. Got the original shore power inlet out, which you can tell is round, and the back of this is actually not. It's a little bit oval, so you can see that here. So it does require a little bit of modifying. You have to open up the top of this a bit, and then you have to ease it just a tad down here on these on the bottom radius there of the old inlet opening. So got the old inlet out. Go ahead and clean up the area. Wouldn't it be nice if Molly's gel coat everywhere? We're still like that. Boy, time and sun and lack of routine care. Oxidized gel coat. So I think what makes sense will be to take the foam gasket supplied with the outlet to trace, figure out what I need to remove. So I want to have this in fresh holes. That's what I need to remove. Fair bit of material. inlets installed. Now to clean up my mess.